In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Wix. First, open your Wix website editor for the site you want to work on. Give the editor a moment to load so all the tools are available. On the left side, look for the Add panel and follow the highlighted queue in your workspace. Select Image. This tells Wix you're about to bring in a new visual element. Next, choose Upload and Import. You'll see this option again inside the Media Manager. Click Upload and Import once more to actually bring images in from your computer or other connected sources. Quick tip: JPG and PNG files are the most common, and keeping images under a few megabytes helps your site load fast. If you already have assets in your media library, you can use those too. If you don't have an image ready, use the search bar labeled "What are you looking for?" to find something specific. Then, click Free from Wix. This section gives you access to a large library of stock images you can use without extra cost. Browse categories or type a keyword, then follow the highlight in the gallery to select an image you like. Click the image thumbnail to preview it, and click another image if you want to compare options. When you've found the one you want, select it so it's ready to place on your page. If you decide you want more than one image, you can go back to the image option and repeat the selection process. With your image on the canvas, click it to select it. Now, open Edit Image. This launches Wix's built-in editor. Start with filters to quickly change the mood and color balance. Choose one that fits your brand. Try Regenerate to get alternative versions or automatically optimized results when available. Use Cutout to remove a background or isolate your subject. This is great for product photos. If you'd like to overlay text in the editor, go to Text and then Decorative to browse stylized text options. If you're just exploring and want to back out, hit Cancel to return without saving those changes. You can refine your image further with Object Eraser to remove small distractions, and explore AI Image Editor for smart enhancements or creative variations, depending on your plan and availability. When you're satisfied, click Save in the editor so your changes apply to the image on your page. Review the result on the canvas, make sure it looks good across your layout, and when everything is ready for the world to see, click Publish to push the update